Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the finished Hagley Park Road. And Hagley Park Road takes you from Halfway Tree which to Marcus Garvey Drive or the Portmore Expressway. Today we're heading to Portmore, so we are going from Halfway Tree to the Portmore Expressway. And we're taking Hagley Park Road. As you can see, this road was recently renovated, very nicely done. It was done by China Harbour Engineering Company under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, MIDP. And that is one of the best and most successful road programs in Jamaica. Alright, so this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, Hagley Park Road. It was a nightmare while it was being renovated, but as you can see, the finished product was worth the small inconveniences drivers had to go through. Okay, so the busiest place in Jamaica is Halfway Tree. The busiest intersection in Jamaica is Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. So this road, Hagley Park Road, takes you from the busiest place in Jamaica to the busiest intersection in Jamaica. And so this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. So on the left is a Rubis gas station. On the right you have a car dealership and then another car dealership. You have a lot of car dealerships on this road. You have the Ministry of Local Government on the left. Bert's Auto Parts has a location on the right. Very, very busy area. This is a commercial area, but as you turn off Hagley Park Road, you have a lot of residential communities. And one of the reasons why the Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road intersection is so busy is because Spanish Town Road has a lot of communities. Some of the largest communities in Jamaica are off Spanish Town Road. You have Olympic Gardens, you have Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, Seaview Gardens, a lot of communities. And for persons from those communities to get to Halfway Tree, which is a major transportation hub in Jamaica, hence the busiest place in Jamaica, the easiest way is to go to the intersection with Spanish Town Road and get onto Hagley Park Road and get up to Halfway Tree. That's why another reason why this road is so busy. So on the left we just passed Tire Warehouse. On the right is the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission. Their office, I should say. On the left is Crichton Automotive and then Excel Auto Parts. The left where the blue wall is, that's our NSWMA parks their garbage trucks. On the right is Superior Parts and then Superior Parts again. So So at this intersection now, you turn right, you take, turn right, you go, that's Walton Park Road. Turn right, you take Walton Park Road into Olympic Gardens. Turn left, you take Walton Park Road back to Spanish Town Road. Alright, so straight ahead now is a 3 miles overpass, and this is the only double overpass in Jamaica. And this overpass was built here because this is the busiest intersection in Jamaica that we were talking about at the beginning of the video. We are going on the higher of the two overpasses, or the top overpass, so this is Hagley Park Road. The overpass below this one is Spanish Town Road, and then if we had turned left where those cars are turning left, we would go to the original intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. So the overpass is actually built over the busiest intersection in Jamaica to allow cars to move freely. So straight ahead now, you're looking at the Kingston Container Terminal, or the Port of Kingston as most persons refer to it, or the Kingston Wharf. And that is the largest port in Jamaica and also the busiest port in Jamaica. So if we had turned left there, we'd go on to Marcus Garvey Drive. But we're going over to Portmore today, so this is where we're going to turn right onto the Portmore Expressway now and head into Portmore.